What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a bit of a special trip. We're going to head down to JDMHQ in Melbourne. Now he's got a bunch of different cars in stock down there and he said I can go and do some features. So I'll take you down, I'll show you the exteriors, the interiors, the engines, because some of them have a little bit of spice. And yeah, see if you like what you see. I know I'm going to like what I see. Now I've just had my coffee. I put sparkling water in it by mistake to cool it down, and great regret, almost throw up. But yeah, I'll try and hold that down and I'll see you at JDMHQ. So today, guys, we've been lucky enough to feature this 2002 Series 2 JZS171. Now this thing is full premium package, top of line, full black leather interior. It's got the upgraded side skirts and front bumper from factory. And also they've slapped on this really nice set of 18s. Now, I'm actually not sure what brand these rims are. If you know, chuck it in the comments down below because I'd love to know. But whatever they are, they've done a nice clean fitment. They haven't gone VIP spec with it. They've just gone nice and tidy, and it really suits the car. I like it. Unfortunately, this thing sold this morning, so won't be going into my garage, but definitely would have considered if it was available, because this thing's beautiful. But like I said, I've got something else coming. We're just waiting for it to land from Japan. Let's jump onto the interior, guys. Like I said, this is the premium package. So full black leather interior, all the wood grain. The features that JDM cars come with. Rear window automatic shade. Oh, I love that. That's sick. Also, you've got auto boot release, obviously auto windows, auto everything. And check out what's in the back headrest here. A couple little sneaky screens. You feel pretty presidential sitting in the back of this, especially with the back screen up. Now, I'm not going to put that back screen up because this car has been bought this morning. So I don't want to go playing with it too much. That's why I'm actually not going to take it for a drive, unfortunately. But I've got to respect the owner and yeah, not mess around with this car, because I do appreciate them letting me feature this on the channel. But look at that, no cracks on the dash, no warping, no nothing. For a 2002, that's nuts. All right, let's jump to the fun bit and go in the engine bay. So as you guys can expect from the model number, JZS171, she's got a sneaky 1J in it. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following the scene as much as I have, but Japanese car prices are going through the roof at the moment, and engine prices. I remember when I bought my 2J, I bought the whole front cut for 2.5 grand. You can't buy a 2J for less than 6 now just by itself. Now this is a 1J, so obviously a little bit cheaper, but still amazing motor. Now they've kept it very stock because from what I'm told, this is a very rare spec option for this car and in this condition. So all they've done to the engine is a little intercooler upgrade, and they've also done an exhaust upgrade. Now it's nothing crazy, it's just a HKS upgraded exhaust. Sounds nice. I will start it for you and put a little clip in, but it's not exactly a race car, but you wouldn't expect that from this kind of car. Huge thanks to JDMHQ for letting me come down and feature some of their cars. You'll see this one in this episode, and I've got a few more coming up. So if you like what you've seen, smash like, smash subscribe, help me out, and comment down below what you want to see next. I'll see what I can do. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one.